I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at RealMoney.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just writing down the tickers you see on TV every night and punching the buy button the next morning. I can help you know when to buy these 3 stocks I saw on TV. Today let's look at Randgold Resources, Sanofi Aventis, and Juniper Network. Now, Cramer's liking some of the gold stocks, the miners, in particular, one like Randgold Resources, because these guys are they've started some new mines and they're starting to pay off with the high price of gold, as we can see. Well, unlike gold, which is kind of pulled back a little bit, Randgold is right up near this high, and it's a key high. Like I know, it's an all-time high. And so what are we going to do? Is this the time to buy the thing or not? First of all, we want to go back to the weekly chart. And I can see this is in a consolidation. It's not the perfect time to buy the stock, but it is in consolidation. It's in consolidation at the upper part of the range. That makes me want to own this stock, but I want to own it at the right price. Now, over the next few days, especially with the whole Italy implosion thing, we could get some pretty high volatility in gold. Which way is it going to go? Is money going to rush into it because of the safety trade? You know, oh my gosh, I got to get into gold. Or is money going to flow out of it simply because, well, guess what? It's dollar denominated. Gold is dollar denominated, so that'll drive the price of gold down, which would bring the price of Randgold down. I don't know the answer to that question, but the cool thing is we don't have to know right now. We can just look at the charts. Bottom line is this. If the stock gets down to about $100 or so, load the boat. Now, what about Sanofi Aventis? Cramer was talking to the CEO of the company on last night. He thinks that fundamentals are strong. This is a stock that has to be bought. Okay, it kind of depends on what your time frame is here. Weekly chart, this is the chart that I like to use to base my decisions. Do I want to buy the stock? Okay, fundamentally, if you like the company, you like the story, you like Cramer's analysis, then this is a company you want to buy. Do you want to buy the stock right now? Well, let's see. The last time it's been at this level, there, it's been pretty much a good idea to buy the stock. So we're up a little bit off support, but generally speaking, when we're looking at the trading range, this is down at the low end of the range. Without even going to the daily chart, I can tell you this is the time to buy the stock. So we'll zoom in, look here. Daily chart shows a little bit of a higher low here versus back here, so it's pretty easy. Just scale in right now. Any kind of pullback, use that as an opportunity to buy more as long as the stock stays above, say, $30. Now, what about Juniper? Cramer says this is another stock that you want to own. It's trading just above its 52-week low. And Cramer thinks all the bad news, all the lousy expectations are pretty much factored in, so it's time to buy the stock. Look, this is an ugly chart, no question about it, unless you have a bad hip and you're looking to walk downstairs, because this is a bunch of downward staircases here, so it's pretty easy to walk down, and that's what's happening with the stock. So, what do? I think Cramer's right as far as it being close to the bottom. In fact, it's really close to the bottom. If the stock falls below this level, I wouldn't want any part of it. However, if the stock starts trading above this level, particularly above the 50-day moving average, I think we can say yes, the bottom has been put in. So in the shortest time frame, in other words, like what do we do right here, right now? Go ahead and buy the stock for maybe $1 of upside, but this is resistance. I think you're actually going to have a better chance to buy the stock probably at about the same level in about a month or so. Let the 50-day moving average trickle down to where you get a more viable test of this as resistance. That's when you take this stock. Okay, that's it for today. Look, I need you to do 2 things for me right now. First, get over to realmoney.com and subscribe. I publish articles 4 times a week. They're called Fitzbits, with a bunch of charts in there and a bunch of good trading ideas. Look, all you need to do is take one of them with minimal shares, and you're going to pay for your subscription to Real Money. So stop being a couch potato and get over there and do it. Also, you can go over to stockmarketmentor.com, sign up for my chart of the day email. I send them to you every evening. Videos about 5, 6, 7 minutes in length detailing a trade that I think you can make right here, right now. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow.